Hi, I'm Sky, Oriental Medicine Doctor. I wanted to talk about what's in mind these days. The black spots on your face. Little brown or black spots that suddenly appear as you get older. They are commonly called the black spots liver spots, but the liver has nothing to do with it. It's just a natural part of aging, especially if you spend a lot of time in the sun. The age spots are caused by an overproduction of melanin, a pigment that gives the skin its hue. While the skin can cope better with the sun exposure when it is young, its ability to regenerate the skin slows down with age. This causes the melanin to clump together and form these spots. It is generally harmless but can also cause you to get a little irritated or self-conscious. In Oriental medicine, these points, especially in the face, are to be connected to the blood circulation. And our organs that we choose for treatment differ depending on which part of your face this happens. Most of them occur outside the eye, so we have to think of the meridians moving around the outside of these eyes. Around this, the meridians that are related to blood and the body fluid are the small intestine meridians. So today's treatment is to control the small intestine meridians. The treatment is at the end of this video. Usually men treat the left side of the body and women treat the right side. If we have it on both sides, treat both sides. Now you may not believe this, but this method is a treatment that has been used in the East for a long time. It takes courage for you to use this method now. You may be scared, but don't be afraid. Even if it makes you uncomfortable, if you do it the other way, you will be restored. This method will also solve your health problems that you are now already aware of when it comes to blood circulation. The treatment method of this Oriental medicine is medical science, which eliminates the cause so that your body can treat any disease on its own. If you use this method, you will have the advantage of cutting off the drugs you are taking now. You should aim to be able to live without taking any medicine in the future. I hope this video helped today. Please wait for the next video and don't forget to press subscribe before you leave. Thank you.
Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1, 2, and 3 are one set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the toenail. 1, 2, and 3 are one set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1 and 2 are one set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1 and 2 are one set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment.